So today we're going to be checking out one of Zag's more expensive screen protectors for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is the Fusion XTR2 Eco Curve. It's got anti-reflective technology and anti-dust installation. It's also made with up to 50% recycled materials, and it rejects 40% of blue light, which is awesome, especially if you like to use your phone at night. I will also be putting links in the description for this in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to reviews to you guys. I will be doing the full installation. We're going to test out the fingerprint sensor. We're going to test out our S Pen. And then I'm going to let you know if I recommend this or not. So let's go ahead and get started. So we get an installation tray, one screen protector, one film screen protector, and some installation tools. So first we're going to take our guide, make sure that the little signifier on the top is pointing towards the camera of your phone. We're going to take our phone and place it into the guide, just like that. You can press it down a little bit with the wipe so you don't get any fingerprints on there to make sure it's in there nice and good. You're then going to take your screen protector and very carefully peel off the number 1. Now you need to make sure that you're only peeling off the protective layer and not the screen protector itself, because I've done a couple other screen protectors just like this, and this is not easy to get off, so just be very careful. Okay, so you're going to peel off that number 1. Make sure that the little camera slot is facing towards the top. We're going to put the little guide into the holes on the guide itself. Just like that, making sure the screen protector does not touch the screen yet. Then you're going to take your squeegee. We're going to start in the middle, press down in the middle of the screen protector, and just push towards one of the ends. Just like that. Then we're going to turn it around and do the same thing. Then we're going to very carefully peel up one of the ends of the top protector. Once it's released, I would take your squeegee one more time and just kind of press down that protector again to make sure that it's sticking well. Then what you want to do is very carefully peel up on that top protector. Now take your squeegee and we're going to squeegee down the little sides here where you can see there are some bubbles. And we'll do the same thing for the other side. All right, once you've done that, you can just kind of push your phone out from the back here and then take it out of the tray. And then I would recommend kind of wiping down the edges just to make sure they stick down really well. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the installation. It actually looks pretty good. Not too bad. And the screen protector also does block 40% of blue light as well, so that's why you saw the little blue tint on there. As far as touch goes, feels pretty smooth. There is a slight bit of resistance. Let's check out our fingerprints. Fingerprints seem to be working already. So if they are, again, you don't have to go back and redo them. But if you do have problems with the fingerprints, I would definitely re-register them. It also does have a cutout for your camera, so you don't have to worry about it messing with your picture quality. It does look like it has a slight gap at the top here, and it has a bigger gap at the bottom. It also does not come up to the edge of the screen, which is good for cases. As far as fingerprints goes, it does seem to pick up some fingerprints, but it looks like you can pretty easily just wipe those away. Not bad so far. Let's test out our S Pen. There is quite a bit of resistance, but the S Pen seems to be working just fine. Check to see if there's any marks. So I don't see any marks from the S Pen, which is definitely a plus. Let's put it in our case. All right, so it looks like it doesn't come all the way up to the case, which is good. At the bottom, we still have a good bit of gap. There's a slight slight bit of gap on each side of the phone, so it's not touching the case, and there is no lifting, so that's definitely a good sign. Let's see how clear the picture quality is. We'll turn our brightness up all the way. Picture looks pretty clear. I don't really see that blue tint, which is definitely good. As you can see, it looks really nice. Touch, very responsive. No problems there. Very nice. Fingerprint rejection could be a little better, but it does work really well with the S Pen. Depending on if you like that resistance or not, I just like the fact that it doesn't leave any marks when you're actually using the S Pen, and it is case friendly. So I'm pretty pleased with the screen protector. It does seem to be a good film option for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. So I would recommend it, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. So that's pretty much it for the ZAGG Fusion XTR2 Eco Curve screen protector for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you guys want to pick this up, I will be putting links in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to review for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.